What a response to that last video. Thank you all so much. I can't thank you enough for the love and the support that I received in all the comments. So we're going to dive a little deeper today into those major seventh arpeggios, talk about the different shapes, talk about how to use them and how to practice them. In today's video, we're going to talk about the two different shapes and we're going to talk about the two ways on how to use these. There are many different ways to use them, but we're going to focus on those two. We're also going to go over how to practice these shapes. All the different ways you can practice them. That's going to help your technique, it's going to help your ears, it's also going to help you improvise. So no need to write all this stuff down. I have written it all down for you. It's in a free PDF below. Go ahead and download that after the video. Let's check out the shapes and see how they fit over major chords and minor ninth chords. Yes, you've heard me correctly. So you can use this over two different chords. Now, like I said before, there are other uses for this, but we're going to stick to these two chords and understanding how to use them over these types of chords. So the major seventh chords and the minor ninth chords. In the graphic right here, you can see that the major seventh chord, as we ascend, it's going to go 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, and then it resolves to the 6. If you're looking at the minor side of things, you're going to see the 9 or the 2, those are interchangeable, and you're going to go 9, 3, 5, 7, then 9, and then it resolves to the 1. So that's the first shape, that's the ascending shape. Now we have the descending shape, and in the descending shape, in the major, we're going 7, 5, 3, 1, 7, then resolving to the 6. And the minor, we're going to go 9, or 2, remember, 9, 7, 5, 3, and then you'll see the 2 again here, 3, 2, 1. So it ends 3, 2, 1, ends on the root of the minor chord. So let's dive into the ways to practice this. Now when I'm practicing, I'm thinking in two different realms. I'm thinking of a diatonic realm, right? So everything diatonically, all within the same key. Here's how this shape would sound if we were practicing it diatonically. We're not going to do that today, but I just wanted to give you a for instance. We're going to be practicing in this other realm. I think of it as like kind of the tonality realm, or we're practicing in all keys in different ways. And that's the way we're going to really focus on today, is being able to play this in all 12 keys, but being able to shift it around in different ways. And those ways are half steps, whole steps, minor thirds, major thirds, the cycle of fourths or circle of fourths, circle of fifths, and tritones. Those are all the different ways we're going to go over today on how to play this. And all of these ways are written down for you as examples in that PDF. So just a reminder, you can practice anything that you like in this way. So we have the diatonic way, we have this tonality realm that I'm calling, and anything that you enjoy practicing, try practicing in this way. See how it opens up your ears, see how it opens up kind of which direction you might go improvisationally. Both are going to be great for your dexterity on your instrument and also being able to express ideas that you might have in different ways. It's also going to open up your ears a ton, which is really, really important for improv. Let's jump into the different ways. Let's start with half steps with the ascending shape. Half steps with the descending shape. Whole steps with the ascending shape. Whole steps with the descending shape. Minor thirds. Major thirds. Cycle of fourths. tritones. I did this a couple different ways because it's a really cool sound. So once you get used to the sound, start thinking about tunes you can use it over. Now, one quick example is if we play Just Friends, we can use the C major shape over the first 2 bars if we'd like, and then we can go to the E flat major shape and use that over the C minor. You can use that E flat major shape over both the C minor 7 and the F7 if you'd like, and then you're going to have to resolve that to G somehow. And then you can use the G major shape over G if you'd like to keep that melodic development going, as through the first, 4 to 6 bars of the tune. There's tons of examples, there's so many different ways to express this. This is just the kind of the tip of the iceberg for you all. Start exploring these different ways to practice and see all the things that you're already practicing and practice them in these ways and how you can impart that into your improvisation and what you can discover. This discovery phase of a new sound is really critical to how you're starting to develop. It's really fun too. It's like the funnest thing to do in music is to start exploring these new sounds, really shed it, and then just have it under your fingers and it's just there for you whenever you need it. So when you're practicing this, take your time, practice slowly, open up your ears, and be sure to have fun. Enjoy the journey. This is the fun stuff. This exploratory stuff is where it's at. It's amazing. And then try it out. Try it out when you're practicing by yourself. Try it out in jam sessions. Have fun with it. All right, until next time, you know what to do. Always positive, always progressing. Later.